Good morning, lovelies. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video y'all are literally going to be doing a Sunday reset vlog with me. Now I know when y'all be usually seeing Sunday reset vlogs, everything already be cleaned up and you know everything be looking nice and scrumptious and dilly yum yum a purr, but this is not this video, child. We have had a week, okay? So yeah, I'm gonna just give y'all a little glimpse of what we dealing with this week. Don't judge me, judge your mama. It has been a lot. So the first thing that I want to go ahead and do these dishes. That's because I think we're finna run to the store real quick and get some stuff, and then we're gonna come back and finish it. And I need some coffee, so yeah.
You're treating me so bad. You said you love me, don't wanna bump me, and I was all you had. And all my heart is beating for you, I can't stop crying. I don't know how I allow you to treat me this way, and still I stay. See, my days are cool without you. Without you, I'm hurting without you. And my heart can't take no more. I can keep on running back. See, my days are cool without you. Without you, I'm hurting without you. No more, I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you wanna do me wrong. See, when I'm home, I'm all alone, and you are always gone. Boy, you know I really love you, I can't deny. I can't see how you could bring me to so many things.
Alright, so we gotta take a quick trip to the store while we going to the store. So we're gonna go to the store again later, but we need to go right now. Let me brush my teeth real quick. Oh. Alright, let's go.
All these years, see my days are cold without you. My days, yeah. And my heart can't take no more. I can keep on running. See my days are cold without you. Without you, without you, I can keep on running back to you. I trusted you, I trusted you. So sad, what love will make you do. All the things that we accept, be the things that we regret. So all of my ladies, hear me, come on, sing with me. See, when I get straight to leave, you always tell me that.
The lashes being on the tray is so real.
don't go. I can break you off, then you get to it all. Nothing, nothing at all. Nothing, nothing at all. I can break you off, then you get to it all. Don't speak for me when I don't go. I can break you off, then you get to it all. Nothing, nothing at all. Nothing, nothing at all. I can break you off, then you get to it all. Don't speak for me when I don't go. I can break you off, then you get to it all. Nothing, nothing at all. Nothing, nothing at all. I can break you off, then you get to it all. Don't speak for me when I don't go. I can break you off, then you get to it all. Nothing, nothing at all. Nothing, nothing at all. Lately I ain't got no time. You can't change my mind. What you need and what you like. Lately I ain't got no time. You can't change my mind. What you need and what you like. I could be paranoid. The observation before me. You had all them boys.
I just wasted all this freaking water on the floor, so now I'm about to
I can break you off, then you get to it all. Don't speak for me when I don't go. I can break you off, then you get to it all. Nothing, nothing at all. Nothing, nothing at all.
Okay, y'all, so before I tackle the big beast, the room, we about to get some food. I just need a break from cleaning right now. The cleaning stuff got me a little gone. I'm not doing the living room because he can do the living room because he doing stuff in there right now. And then I need to start prepping this stuff for Miss Diamond, and start getting her stuff together for learning how to edit. So thank you for reaching out to me for even considering my videos to teach you how to edit, because I just be thinking I be throwing stuff together, but I appreciate you for appreciating me, so we appreciate each other. You heard?
We got a package. Oh.
Bye. Yeah, it was in my wake when I was recording.
Like that.
I got you messed up. I haven't been in my car all weekend, y'all. Hell. Bags secured. Back to the house that we go, because we got coffee, we got orange juice, and we got water at the house. What happened?
No, I don't know, but my phone been speaking lately. Like,
Chee.
hold on, real quick, sis. You can right back.
And then, thank you. I just wasted.
Frank like more bar.
Yeah.
Fuck your mind up, waste time. I'm calling out, delete all the time. Your gods are waiting line. You need me, you need me. It's so easy, you know I'm feeling. Let me into my demons. What's the word? Tell me rock out. You call this, hope it's not romantic. I ain't got no kids, so don't be so childish. Maybe I look like you, we ain't so different. Maybe I be tripping. What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what to do. Just tell me when it hurts. When I get you to myself, there's murder. What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what to do. Just tell me when it hurts. When I get you to myself, there's murder.
So we're officially done cleaning. We're about to walk him, go get our packages from the package room, and then start this editing tutorial notes guide type of thing. She got her own thing, Miss Independent. This big old trash I'm carrying. I guess I had changed my address like way too many times within the last like year. I'm waiting on this change of address form to come. Like basically, oh, the sun got me messed up, but I'm gonna talk to y'all anyway. Basically, from one address to the other one, it was like, we'll send one to your old address and to your new address. So I know it came from the old address, but I can't put that code in because then that confirms that somebody trying to change stuff for me. So I'm waiting on the one for the new address, and it still ain't came yet. Nothing organic. Do y'all have like a certain brand of pickles that y'all like? Because I don't. We're gonna do these. They do not have nothing spectacular in this store at all. It's all the basics.
Information needed. Item aside and touch OK. Use pin pad to please select from popular items or look up quantity needed.
1 or 2?
1. Thank you.
99. 2.99.
Scan.
Please select from popular items or look up item alphabet.
Okay, so what I had ended up getting from the store was what did I get from the store? He put it up, so I can't show y'all. So
What happened?
he put up the onion, he put up the tomato, he put up the lettuce, but don't get it out, don't get it out, don't even worry about getting it out. We don't even want to see it no more. And then I had got pickles, ketchup, and then I had got the garlic knots. Ooh, now he's squaring up.
You got mustard?
No. I was sitting here showing y'all sauces. Bless you. I was sitting here. You shitty booty ass camera wanna die now. Ain't this about a... Alright, let me hurry up. Let me hurry up. Alright, let me change you real quick.
I've been watching you from afar. Yes, I've been remembering. You're all around me like a need. That's why.
The fries are done and crispy.
This is more than a grudge. White nail polish 10 toes down. Yeah. Get a shot, you don't look down. Tattoo peeking through the see-through. Yeah. Body green color, I see you. I see you. Used to be in love, now your life fuck Cupid. Hate to be a rag, so that nigga feel stupid. Coming through the gram, tryna figure out where you been. All they need to know is that you're outside. Watching real time, ain't too live. Easily adjusted to your new life. Since you let loose, you been too tight. No place to unknown fans. You don't need a man, got your own fans. Don't get money, these grown men. Had a week, I'm up, they sleeping. Pussy so good, gotta sleep in. Watch your back and knees in. Bring them in. I never get enough, never get enough. I never get enough, never get enough. Many, all in your direction. Choices like testing. Just selected. Yeah, that ass too swollen, I'm tryna grab that. If you get too close, tell that nigga back. He been calling your phone, we don't call back. Let him know it's his fault and you need to fall back.
Alright y'all, so I'm going to make the editing tips and stuff in another video because I feel like this video is long as is. So go ahead and make sure that you tune in to my weekly vlog for next week. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell so that you can get notified every single time that I post. And India Alexis out. Peace.